Communicating with the universe is a profound concept that emphasizes the connection between our thoughts, feelings, and the greater cosmos. The idea is that the universe is not just a vast expanse of stars and planets, but a responsive entity that reacts to our inner state. When we focus our thoughts and emotions, we send out vibrations that the universe can interpret, leading to manifestations in our lives. This highlights the importance of intentional communication. By consciously directing our thoughts and feelings, we can align ourselves with the energies we wish to attract. It's essential to recognize that our mindset can significantly influence our experiences, making it crucial to cultivate positive and purposeful intentions. As we delve deeper into this topic, we will explore 5 effective methods to enhance our connection with the universe. These techniques will empower us to harness the energy around us, allowing for a more profound interaction with the universe. By understanding how to communicate effectively, we can create a harmonious relationship that fosters growth, abundance, and fulfillment. Whether through meditation, visualization, affirmations, or other practices, these methods will serve as tools to help us align our desires with the universal flow. Ultimately, learning to communicate with the universe can transform our lives, guiding us toward our true potential and purpose. Brian Tracy introduces a compelling idea that we are essentially living magnets, attracting experiences that resonate with our dominant thoughts and feelings. This concept suggests that our mindset plays a crucial role in shaping our reality. When we focus on positive, empowering thoughts, we emit a frequency that draws similar experiences into our lives. Conversely, negative thoughts can attract undesirable situations, highlighting the importance of maintaining a constructive mental state. Our thoughts are not just fleeting notions. They carry energy that influences the universe around us. This relationship underscores the active role the universe plays in our lives, responding to the vibrations we send out. The universe is constantly in motion, aligning circumstances and opportunities that match our predominant thoughts and feelings. By understanding this dynamic, we can take charge of our experiences, consciously choosing to cultivate thoughts that align with our desires. It's essential to recognize that we are not passive observers. Rather, we are active participants in the creation of our reality. The universe is always listening, ready to respond to the energy we project. By harnessing the power of our thoughts and emotions, we can effectively shape our experiences, inviting abundance, joy, and fulfillment into our lives. This relationship between our inner world and the universe is a powerful reminder of our ability to influence our destiny through intentional thinking and feeling. The laws of vibration and attraction play a pivotal role in our communication with the universe, revealing that everything around us exists in a constant state of vibration. Every object, thought, and emotion emits a unique frequency, contributing to the energetic tapestry of the universe. This fundamental principle underscores that our surroundings are not static. Rather, they are dynamic and responsive to the vibrations we project. The principle of like attracting like is central to this concept, suggesting that similar frequencies resonate with one another. When we maintain a high vibrational state, we attract experiences, people, and opportunities that align with that elevated energy. Conversely, lower vibrational states can draw in negative experiences, reinforcing the importance of being mindful of our emotional and mental states. To effectively communicate with the universe, we must strive to elevate our vibrations through positive thoughts, gratitude, and self-love. This proactive approach not only enhances our personal well-being, but also amplifies our ability to manifest our desires. By consciously choosing to maintain a high vibrational state, we create a magnetic field that attracts abundance, joy, and fulfillment into our lives. Understanding these laws empowers us to take control of our experiences, fostering a deeper connection with the universe and enabling us to align with our true potential. Ultimately, the interplay of vibration and attraction serves as a reminder of our inherent power to shape our reality through the energy we emit. Prayer serves as a profound form of communication with the universe, allowing individuals to engage in both silent and expressive conversations. Whether whispered in solitude or articulated aloud, prayer can take many forms, providing a personal avenue for connecting with the greater cosmos. This versatility makes prayer accessible to everyone, transcending various belief systems and cultural backgrounds. Regardless of one's spiritual framework, the act of prayer can foster a sense of connection and purpose, inviting individuals to express their hopes, fears, and gratitude. The beauty of prayer lies in its inclusivity. It can be practiced by anyone seeking to reach out to the universe, whether through traditional religious practices or more personal, informal expressions of thought and intention. However, the effectiveness of prayer hinges on sincerity and consistency. Approaching prayer with genuine intent enhances its power, as heartfelt communication resonates more deeply with the universe. Regular practice cultivates a habit of reflection and mindfulness, reinforcing our connection to the energies around us. By being consistent in our prayers, we create a rhythm that aligns our thoughts and emotions with our desires, making it easier for the universe to respond. Ultimately, prayer is not just about asking for what we want. It is a meaningful dialogue that nurtures our spiritual growth and strengthens our bond with the universe, guiding us toward a more fulfilled existence. Meditation offers numerous benefits for connecting with the universe, primarily by creating a space for insights and guidance to emerge. When we meditate, we quiet the noise of our daily lives, allowing our minds to settle and opening ourselves to the wisdom that resides within and around us. This stillness fosters a deeper connection to the universe, enabling us to receive intuitive messages and guidance that might otherwise go unnoticed. Additionally, meditation plays a crucial role in aligning us with our true selves. By turning inward and reflecting on our thoughts and feelings, we gain clarity about our desires, values, and purpose. This alignment helps us to navigate life with greater authenticity, ensuring that our actions resonate with our core beliefs. Furthermore, the practice of meditation emphasizes the importance of being present in the moment. In a world filled with distractions, meditation encourages us to focus on the here and now, cultivating mindfulness and awareness. This presence allows us to fully experience life and appreciate the beauty around us, enhancing our connection to the universe. As we become more attuned to the present, we can better recognize the signs and synchronicities that the universe offers. Ultimately, meditation serves as a powerful tool for deepening our relationship with the universe, fostering personal growth, and enhancing our overall well-being by promoting inner peace and clarity. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting desires, involving the process of creating vivid mental images of our goals and aspirations. By picturing our desired outcomes in detail, we engage our imagination to bring those goals to life in our minds. This practice allows us to see ourselves achieving what we want, whether it's a career milestone, personal growth, or improved relationships. As we create these mental images, we activate our subconscious mind, which plays a crucial role in shaping our reality. The subconscious absorbs the images and emotions we project, influencing our beliefs and actions in alignment with our desires. This means that the clearer and more detailed our visualizations, the more effectively they can guide our behavior toward achieving those goals. Moreover, the emotional connection to the visualization process is vital. When we visualize, it's essential to evoke the feelings associated with achieving our desires: joy, excitement, and fulfillment. This emotional resonance amplifies the impact of our visualizations, making them more compelling to our subconscious. By consistently practicing visualization, we reinforce our intentions and cultivate a mindset that attracts opportunities aligned with our goals. Ultimately, visualization serves as a bridge between our current reality and our desired future, empowering us to manifest our dreams by aligning our thoughts, emotions, and actions with the life we wish to create. Affirmations are powerful statements that can reshape beliefs and attract desires, playing a crucial role in aligning us with our intentions. By consciously repeating positive affirmations, we reinforce the mindset necessary to achieve our goals. These affirmations serve as reminders of our capabilities and aspirations, helping to create a mental environment conducive to success. The importance of consistency in affirming our goals cannot be overstated. Regular practice helps to embed these positive statements into our subconscious mind, gradually shifting our thought patterns and beliefs. When we consistently affirm our intentions, we cultivate a sense of confidence and clarity that propels us toward our desired outcomes. Additionally, affirmations can effectively dissolve limiting beliefs that may hinder our progress. Many of us carry negative self-talk or doubts that stem from past experiences, which can create barriers to achieving our dreams. By consciously replacing these limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations, we challenge and reprogram our subconscious mind. This process not only helps to eliminate self-doubt, but also opens us up to new possibilities and opportunities. As we affirm our worthiness and potential, we begin to attract experiences that align with our positive beliefs. Ultimately, affirmations act as a transformative tool, enabling us to reshape our inner dialogue, align with our true intentions, and manifest the desires we seek in our lives. Through consistent practice, we can harness the power of affirmations to create lasting change and fulfillment. Writing letters as a form of manifestation holds significant power, as it engages the mind, body, and spirit in a holistic practice. When we put pen to paper, we activate our cognitive processes, allowing our thoughts and feelings to flow freely. This act of writing not only clarifies our intentions, but also connects us deeply with our desires, creating a tangible representation of what we wish to manifest. Expressing gratitude and desires in these letters is crucial. By acknowledging what we are thankful for, we cultivate a positive mindset that attracts more abundance into our lives. Gratitude shifts our focus from lack to appreciation, enhancing our vibrational frequency and aligning us with the universe's energies. There are various methods for sending these letters to the universe, each offering a unique way to solidify our intentions. One popular approach is to write a letter and then perform a symbolic act, such as burning it, which represents releasing our desires into the universe. Alternatively, some choose to place their letters in a special box or bury them in the ground, signifying a commitment to their goals. Others may read their letters aloud during meditation or visualization sessions, reinforcing their intentions. Ultimately, writing letters serves as a powerful manifestation tool, allowing us to articulate our dreams, express gratitude, and engage with the universe in a meaningful way, paving the path for our desires to come to fruition. In summary, we've explored 5 powerful methods for communicating with the universe that can enhance your ability to manifest your desires. First, we discussed the significance of intentional thoughts and feelings, emphasizing how they act as vibrations that attract similar experiences. Next, we delved into the laws of vibration and attraction, highlighting the importance of maintaining a high vibrational state to draw in positive outcomes. We also examined prayer as a versatile form of communication, accessible to everyone regardless of belief systems, and the necessity of sincerity and consistency in this practice. Additionally, we explored visualization as a tool for manifesting desires, focusing on the emotional connection that amplifies its effectiveness. Lastly, we discussed the transformative power of affirmations in reshaping beliefs and attracting what you seek. Now, it's time for you to take action. If you found this content valuable, consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it with friends who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more content that resonates with you. We invite you to explore related videos on our channel that delve deeper into these topics, providing you with additional tools and techniques for connecting with the universe. Remember, the journey of manifestation is ongoing, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.